Hook, imagine a single drop of blood, no bigger than a pinhead. Within it, a universe of billions of cells, each performing a dizzying dance of life and death, carrying secrets so profound, science is still unraveling them. Did you know your blood isn't truly red, or that the concept of a universal donor is far more complicated than you've been told? Most shockingly, there are blood types so rare. Their discovery has sent ripples through the medical community, challenging everything we thought we knew about human biology. Stay until the end because case number 13, involving the rarest blood on Earth, will give you chills. Intro context. Blood. It's the river of life coursing through our veins, sustaining every cell, every organ, every thought. We see it as a simple red fluid, but beneath the surface lies an intricate, bewildering system of biological marvels and enduring mysteries. For centuries, humanity has sought to understand its power, from ancient rituals to modern medicine, yet many of its most astonishing truths remain hidden to the casual observer. From its surprising composition to its critical, often unseen, roles in our survival, blood is far more than just a transport system. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this liquid is arguably the most complex and vital component of your entire being, revealing secrets that reshape our understanding of health, genetics, and even human evolution. Blood's true color. Despite its iconic red appearance, the color of blood isn't as straightforward as it seems. The vibrant crimson we associate with blood is primarily due to hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells rich in iron. When hemoglobin binds with oxygen, it appears bright red, giving arterial blood its characteristic hue. However, as oxygen is delivered to tissues and hemoglobin loses its oxygen, it becomes darker, appearing a deep, almost purplish red. So, while blood is never blue, its shade of red is a dynamic indicator of its oxygen content, a silent language spoken by every pulse. The red blood cell's journey. Consider the journey of a single red blood cell, a microscopic disc, devoid of a nucleus, yet an absolute workhorse. Born in the bone marrow, it embarks on an incredible 120-day odyssey, traversing the entire circulatory system approximately 75,000 times. Its mission: to ferry oxygen from your lungs to every corner of your body and then collect carbon dioxide waste for expulsion. Navigating vessels narrower than itself, constantly flexing and squeezing, this tiny cell is a testament to biological efficiency. It's a non-stop, high-stakes delivery service, vital for every breath you take and every muscle you move. Blood volume, more than you think. Most adults carry approximately 5 to 6 liters of blood within their bodies, a volume equivalent to about 7–8% of their total body weight. This significant quantity is essential for maintaining proper organ function and overall health. Losing even a small percentage, around 15–20%, can trigger significant physiological stress, leading to symptoms like dizziness and weakness. A major loss, exceeding 40%, becomes critically life-threatening, highlighting just how precisely calibrated our internal systems are to this vital fluid. But what happens when even this life-sustaining volume isn't enough to save a life due to an even deeper, more fundamental issue? Beyond A, B, O, hidden complexities. When we talk about blood types, most people think of A, B, OB, and O, along with the Rh factor. However, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The human blood system is vastly more intricate, with over 36 recognized blood group systems and hundreds of different antigens beyond the well-known ones. These lesser-known antigens, like Duffy, KID, or Kell, can play crucial roles in transfusions and pregnancy, sometimes leading to severe reactions if incompatible blood is introduced. This hidden complexity makes finding perfect blood matches a much more challenging task than simple A, B, O typing suggests. Universal donor isn't so universal. The common knowledge is that O-negative blood is the universal donor, meaning it can be given to anyone. While true in emergencies, it's a simplification. O-negative lacks A, B, and Rh antigens, making it unlikely to trigger an immediate immune response. However, even O-negative blood contains other minor antigens that can potentially cause reactions in recipients with highly sensitized immune systems. Furthermore, O-negative blood is a precious resource, making up only about 7% of the population, and its limited supply means it's reserved for critical situations, not routine transfusions. Rare blood types, medical puzzles. Beyond the common groups, there exist incredibly rare blood types, some found in only a handful of individuals worldwide. These rarities often stem from unusual combinations or absences of specific antigens. For instance, the Bombay blood group lacks the H antigen, which is the precursor to A and B antigens, making it incompatible with even O-type blood. Finding compatible blood for these individuals is a monumental challenge, often requiring international searches or reliance on specialized blood banks. But the real question is, why did these extreme rarities emerge at all? The answer will surprise you. What is blood plasma really made of? While red blood cells get most of the attention, blood plasma, the yellowish liquid component, makes up about 55% of your total blood volume and is a true unsung hero. More than 90% water, plasma is a complex cocktail of essential proteins, antibodies, hormones, nutrients, and electrolytes. It transports blood cells throughout the body, helps maintain blood pressure and volume, and plays a crucial role in blood clotting and immunity. Without plasma, your blood would be a thick, unmovable sludge, unable to perform its life-sustaining functions, highlighting its critical, often overlooked importance. Blood's silent defenders, white blood cells. Beyond oxygen transport, blood is also your body's frontline defense system, thanks to its diverse population of white blood cells, or leukocytes. These cells are far less numerous than red blood cells, but are incredibly powerful. Each type, from neutrophils battling bacteria to lymphocytes orchestrating immune responses, plays a specialized role in identifying and destroying pathogens, cancerous cells, and foreign invaders. They patrol your bloodstream, constantly monitoring for threats, ready to mount a rapid, coordinated attack to protect you from illness. It's an invisible army, always on guard, ensuring your survival against countless microscopic enemies. The miraculous process of blood clotting. Imagine a tiny cut. Within seconds, your blood orchestrates a complex, life-saving response. Clotting. This miraculous process involves platelets, tiny cell fragments, rushing to the injury site and forming a plug. Simultaneously, a cascade of proteins called clotting factors activates, ultimately creating a mesh-like protein called fibrin, which reinforces the platelet plug, forming a stable clot. This intricate biological ballet prevents excessive blood loss and initiates the healing process. Without it, even minor injuries could be fatal, a testament to the sophisticated engineering of our own bodies. Keep watching, because what comes next changed everything we thought we knew about human uniqueness. Blood as a temperature regulator. Beyond its roles in transport and defense, blood also acts as a crucial regulator of body temperature. When you're too hot, blood vessels near your skin's surface dilate, allowing more blood to flow closer to the surface. This facilitates heat dissipation into the environment, often aided by sweating, which cools the blood as it evaporates. Conversely, when you're cold, these vessels constrict, shunting blood away from the surface and toward vital organs, minimizing heat loss and helping to maintain core body temperature. This constant, dynamic adjustment is essential for maintaining the narrow temperature range required for optimal physiological function. Climax, the golden blood. But among all the blood types and their intricate complexities, one stands alone, a medical enigma so profound it earned the nickname golden blood. This is Rh blood, the rarest blood type on Earth. Discovered in 1961, it's characterized by the complete absence of any asterisk Rh antigens, not just the common D antigen associated with Rh negative. To understand its rarity, consider this. While Rh negative affects about 15% of the population, Rh null has only been identified in fewer than 50 people worldwide over the last 6 decades. These individuals face immense challenges. If they ever need a blood transfusion, finding compatible blood is almost impossible, as their immune system would react violently to any Rh positive or Rh negative blood. They can only receive Rh null blood, often requiring them to pre-donate their own blood or rely on an international network of the few known donors. The existence of Rh null blood completely rewrote textbooks on blood typing, proving that the Rh system was far more complex than previously imagined and highlighting an extreme case of genetic variation. It's a stark reminder of our individual biological uniqueness and the incredible, sometimes life-threatening, diversity hidden within our very veins. This golden blood is not just a scientific curiosity. It represents a profound medical challenge and a testament to the ongoing mysteries of the human body, pushing the boundaries of genetic and immunological research to protect these incredibly rare lives. Call to action. The hidden world of blood is a testament to the incredible complexity within us, a system far more astounding than we often realize. If you were fascinated by these revelations, hit that subscribe button to uncover more of the universe inside you.